Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier X2s wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to your device, or if they are not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, usually the left ear, this hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of those issues. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set these earbuds up as a new set of earbuds and delete the pairing history and everything off of them. We can do this and it's very easy to do. Now, you can do this on either earbud, and if they are paired to one another, it will work for both. If it's not, then you'll need to do this on both. But basically, you want to make sure that the earbuds are not connected to anything, so you can go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on whatever device you have, and then just take the earbuds out of the case, and then you're going to just press and hold the back panel on either of the earbuds for about 8 seconds until the blue LED blinks 6 times, and then it will that will clear everything out and it will power off. Once you do that, you can place the earbuds back in the case and close the case, then open the case and take them out again and set them up as it were a brand new device. Now, if you're doing it if they're not paired with each other, then you can basically do that same 8-second hold on each of them until they blink.